Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. This is the i9, and it's got some goodies in it, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, just to start off with the case, this is the Corsair 465S Mid Tower, and this particular case has a commander. It came with the commander Corsair, and what it does is an RGB controller and fans controller where you can download the iCUE software to control everything that you're looking at the moment. So all the lights, everything can be synchronized. You can control the fan speed and everything. So it's a pretty nice feature that they introduced. Now on the actual processor, we have gone with the i9-10900K. This is the unlocked version. It has a 10-core 20-thread, and it's pretty fast. It boosts up to 5.3 gigahertz on a turbo frequency. Remember guys, when you build something like this, a lot of people don't realize, I've seen them not realizing that you have to go to control panel under power options and enable under the hidden features the high performance. If you do not enable this, it will not utilize the entire core processing of the actual CPU. Now moving on to the actual liquid cooler, we have the H115i Elite Caplix. Now this is a new cooler that they just brought in, and let me tell you, it's very nice looking. You can actually change that top cover that they've had it in white. This was black when it came in, and I've decided to give it a different change, and it's actually white right now. It's fully LED with RGB colors and everything, and I've managed to put it in the front. Now the case is pretty much tight, and we wanted to actually put it on top, but it doesn't really matter. At this point, it's a very nice looking liquid cooler. If you guys are looking for something high quality, it's a 280 dual fan radiator, so you get a lot of performance, and it's plenty of power for the i9. Now moving on to the RAM, we also have Corsair. This is the RGB Pro that they have, and this is running at 3200 megahertz. It's pretty fast. You don't need nothing too crazy. If you want to upgrade in the future, this motherboard supports up to 128 gigs of memory if you need that much in the long run. Now moving on to the solid state, we have a 2 terabyte Crucial solid state drive in there. It's a 2.5 inch. We didn't go with the NVMe. Now it's plenty of speed. If you need to upgrade in the future, this case will offer 2 3.5 inch base, 2 2.5 inch base, and it has 2 NVMe's built onto this particular motherboard. Moving on to the board, we have the Z490 TUF Gaming. Now this particular model did not come with the actual Wi-Fi. This model has the RGB headers at the top and all the good stuff. You got plenty of SATA ports, you got all the goodies, and like I said, it does support dual NVMe drives. So if you're planning to do it, you also get the heatsink at the very bottom of the actual board, so it does cool it down a little bit, and it'll, you know, make it for the long-term reliability. Now if you go with Wi-Fi version, it'll have it built in onto the board. Particularly, we didn't go for that one. So what we did, we actually implemented a PCI Express wireless card. This is the TP-Link AC1200. You got plenty of speed, and you also get Bluetooth on top of that. Now if you move onto something that is gonna be higher end in the future for an upgrade, we have put in there 1,000 watt power supplies, gold certified. It comes with a 10-year warranty from EVGA. It's plenty of power, fully modular. And moving on to the video card, this is the RTX 3090 TUF from Asus. It's a beast. Now as you can tell, we've put in a bracket because it does sag. It's pretty heavy, and they didn't include anything, unfortunately, so we went ahead and bought a third-party one. And what it does, this will actually bend down, and it can damage not only the PCI socket on the motherboard, but you can actually damage the actual video card. This particular model, we're glad that it came with the back plate on the actual video card, and you get that nice logo right here in the front. So if you guys are looking for something that is reliable, that you're not gonna upgrade in the long run, this particular build will do anything that you tell it to. So if you guys are looking for a nice custom build that it will last for a very long time and many years, that's why we put in this beast of a computer. We will leave a comment down below for our website if you'd like to purchase this machine. Yes, we can ship it to you if you live out of Texas. We're located in Katy, Texas. So otherwise, you can always leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.